What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. I thought I would jump back on to make an update video as of this morning's and yesterday's episodes, which was basically tracking the key point of a breakout on the 1 hour charts for pretty much all the major cryptocurrencies. I feel like I have to jump right into that. And that's what we're pretty much going to be focusing on today. Not only with XRP, which exploded through what was starting off as a symmetrical triangle, turned into some sort of falling wedge, which exploded in price. We also found Ethereum, which was drawing a beautiful symmetrical triangle and broke beautifully to the upside here as well. And then we also have Bitcoin doing the same exact thing, which has pretty much exploded to the upside to all-time highs once again. Cardano's hit or miss, but that's pretty much it. Otherwise, guys, definitely make sure to join our crypto coin display giveaway. All you have to do to win one of these free tickers is obviously comment your favorite crypto down below, as well as comment subscribed. Do those two things and I will be checking, and if you're not subscribed, you will not win one of these free crypto coin displays. Otherwise, guys, lastly, we are going to be checking on our Bionomy tokens. Hopefully you guys remember a few weeks ago, or I think last week, a week and a half ago, we made a video showing you guys how we invested and staked our coins in a 1000% APY Bionomy exchange token, staking pool or staking farm, whatever you want to call it. And I want to actually check the results after about a week and a half of doing so. So I am going to be doing that at the end of today's video. So stay tuned for that. And they do have a few other important announcements to announce about that. So very cool. Otherwise, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button, and let's get into today's episode. All right, guys, I mean, geez, I don't even know where to start. Let's just quick refresh. We're at 2.63 trillion. This is probably the highest the markets have ever been. Granted that everything is up like beautifully, and I feel like this might just be the start. Everything's up 4%, 6%, 3%. 7 days is up double digits, pretty much every single cryptocurrency here. I mean, you could have picked any cryptocurrency, you would have made money. Every single altcoin that has been in the market is currently up a ton of money, and I'm sure there's some biggest gainers too. We have some crazy coins. Pretty much everything that ends in Inu, very similar to Doge or Inu, is doing very well over the past couple of days. Zoo token, which is interesting too. No, we haven't made a review on Zoo token. I thought we did, but everything is pretty much exploding, guys. Markets are doing incredible. We've been tracking this for quite some time now. We made a video on it yesterday. We made a video on it today, all explaining in depth how we were pretty much going to capitalize on the bull run, which was interesting too, because yesterday I made a video basically saying happening today, this would be the start of the breakout. This is what happened yesterday. We pretty much tracked what, as you can see, a beautiful symmetrical triangle that was forming in the thumbnail, and we were waiting for confirmation of the hourly to break us above that top resistance for us to buy in and leverage to the upside. And then, as you guys can see, a quick refresh. I put this video out 4 hours ago. We just started to break bullish, and it has been a continuation pattern since then. So very excited to really break this down and get into it with you. So as you guys can see, XRP has done a beautiful bullish rally. Originally, what we had drawn on, which is now showing major signs to the upside here. And we kind of have to figure out where this is going to be going to. Most of all, everyone knows that we are in this market right now. We already bought back in. We had taken profits about a week ago when Ethereum actually retested its top resistance right over here on the 16th. It's only been about, I'd say, 4 days. Literally, we're out 4 days ago. Now we're back in. The second we got confirmation of this rally right here, this beautiful breach, which was a little bit lower, but I'll explain that in a second. It was actually right there. That's when we bought in. But you can see with XRP specifically, what we were waiting for was confirmation on this hourly chart here. What we had originally drawn was a symmetrical triangle. It looked like this. Hopefully you guys can see this here. This was what we had drawn. It was a beautiful uptrend like this and a beautiful downtrend like this. And then you can see the last, I think, 2 hours, we saw major reversals and wicks here, pretty much extreme indecisiveness. And then once we confirmed closing above here, which was above the uptrend here, I was like, something's off here. We have to give another look at this. And then I realized, oh, it seems like we're in a bigger falling wedge pattern here, where prices are basically just pinballing off the top and bottom. So we knew exactly when to buy in, which was confirming a close above this top resistance here. When could we have bought in? Literally this morning. Early this morning, we had a beautiful buying opportunity to leverage XRP specifically. You can see XRP, I know we're trading this on the 4 hours, so it looks bigger than it currently is, but if we just jump to the percentage run, you can see, if I can find it here, where did we go? Right here. Price range from, I'd say, the point of breakout which we bought in at, to the upside, we've been up about 5.7%. It's not no 20, 30%, but it is 5.7% in literally the day, which is incredible. And this was a beautiful confirmation rally that we took advantage of. Obviously, we're going to expect some consolidation now. I mean, this is expected, anticipated. We are becoming overbought on the 1 hour, and this is the closest I'm pretty much going to be zooming into. I want to jump to the 4 hour now, which is also very close to retesting overbought. The daily is okay. We are starting to trade above $1.13, which is great too. I'd like us to close above here to basically start to head back up to $1.20, but we're already in it. You know, we've already bought in on this hourly here. We're just riding this puppy to the upside here. And it's not just within XRP. It's pretty much all these cryptocurrencies. Ethereum we had drawn on. I could draw it again. We had a beautiful symmetrical triangle here. You can clearly see this was the top resistance, just like this. And this was the bottom support. So we had some sort of symmetrical triangle forming. We had lower highs that were continuously trending inside of here. We had a bunch of consolidation as expected into the apex. And then we started to see some interesting patterns. We actually saw us see a weird trend to the upside, weird trends to the downside. We confirmed closing. We actually had a resistance. Well, basically how this worked like this was how we had it. I mean, I could draw it too if you guys want to see. It was resistance like this, and then a support like that. Yeah, exactly like this. I don't even need to do anything. So clearly, resistance is off of here. We saw earlier confirmation swings, but understand they both had closed right inside of the moving, or inside the triangle here. So we waited for this consolidation to play out. We confirmed closing above, and then it was a beautiful break to the upside here. And then earlier today, which I believe this didn't actually break out. I'm not sure, maybe it already did, but we had switched the position again. We deleted that line and we're like, okay, this is a clear top resistance. This is a big resistance, 3,800, numerous retests consistently. If we're able to close the daily above that, or the hourly above this, that would be another beautiful buy-in opportunity. That's exactly what happened. We bought in, we closed above 3.3930 or wherever, and then that was a big rally up. So there were two opportunities. You could have bought in right here, which was the original breakout from here, which we mentioned last night, and we saw right here today earlier a big breakout. And this once again applies to other cryptocurrencies. We then swing to Bitcoin, which was a beautiful break, so easy to capitalize on, not only on Bitcoin, but also Ethereum, which happened at the exact same time. XRP was the only one that was taking a little bit longer to develop something. But as you guys can see right now, with Bitcoin specifically, we bought in right here. Beautiful level to buy in at once we close the hourly above here. So we saw massive amounts of consolidation. This is literally the textbook version of what happens. Usually, though, ascending triangles tend to break bearish, but we saw beautiful higher low patterns forming, clear top resistance, clear price ceiling. If we were able to confirm breaching above there, we would buy in and long or sell short. What did we do? Once again, we had these major wicks forming where prices shot up and then they shot all the way down, but they closed inside of here. Once we saw beautiful confirmation where we closed the hourly above here, we bought in. And since then, it's been a consolidation ride, but we've been exploding. It's been amazing. Very excited. I mean, at this point, I don't know what else there is. We took advantage of this. We said we were taking advantage of this. You know, huge shout out to everybody that has bought in and made profits on this. It's a very exciting moment. Bitcoin, I believe now, is at all-time highs. We've never seen $66,000 before. Very exciting. All of these trades were done on Bityard. Hopefully you guys at this point know what Bityard is. Link in the description to check it out. But you free signups, obviously. There is a sign-up bonus as well, up to $280, I believe, in free sign-up bonuses, as well as it's basically the best platform to leverage trade cryptocurrencies. They offer a live and a demo account. We can buy in. We've been tracking this movement here, and exactly at that point did we buy in on the candles here. We had a beautiful uptrend here. Sorry, like this. We could extend it up, doesn't really matter. And we had a horizontal line right here. The second we saw confirmation of a breach, the hourly above here, we bought in, and it's been a straight like line right to the upside here, just straight profit. It's been the easiest like buy-in opportunity there is. I don't even know how else to explain this. But otherwise, I do want to show you guys the profits here. I believe a couple of days ago, we bought into Biconomy. And as you guys know, Biconomy has a major APY of 11. When we first put in, it was about 600. But now it's trading at 1,200%, which is insane. In the staking pool, we've staked about 0.28. This is bit to BUSD LP. And I showed you guys in the last video how to do that. And we currently earned 440,000 100,000 tokens. What's a cool thing too is Bionomy has been exploding in price. It's up 30% on the day right now. You can see the major run. It's actually been a very good cryptocurrency, unlike some other ones that pretty much have just shit the bed since, release. No, Bionomy has actually exploded up. And I do believe we actually still hold Bionomy. I'm not entirely sure, but I believe we do. Yeah, I have 306,000 bit tokens right here. And then I also have 440,000 bit tokens that I've earned. So we have around 1 million tokens currently. And Bionomy, I know it's trading low, although it is up 30%. It is quite a bit of money. I think it's about $60 in total, but for this, it's about $33. We only staked about $100 or $50. I forget which one, but we've done pretty darn well, if you ask me. We've shot up. It's done very quickly in regards to return. I'm actually quite surprised. And the coin is doing very well on the exchange as well. So lastly, guys, what's cool too is Bionomy is doing their 2nd anniversary celebration. And you can see here that they're doing a $20,000 prize in bit token provided for the celebration, 11/31/10. More details published tomorrow, so on and so forth. But very cool. They're giving away $20,000 in bit rewards. And you can see here, they have another one. It says 6 to 31st of October, the 2nd anniversary celebration begins. And this is a total of 15 million tokens. So very cool. Video reviews, top 3 will get 2 million bit each. Stickers, top 3. Gifts, top 3. So if you guys create this and start to, dilly-dally in that and create your own stickers or videos or gifts, they will actually reward you up quite a bit of money. I mean, 2 million bit each. I can just do the math here. 2 million in bit, which is trading at like 0.007. We could see what that is. This is the bit token. 2 million tokens is ideally times paste equals, oh, that's not that much money. $150, unless I'm doing that math wrong, but you guys can let me know. But very cool that they're doing these giveaways here. Otherwise, guys, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, check out Bionomy, as I did link them down below. And yeah, congratulations to everybody that's bought in, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.